Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to turn your phone's camera into your very own personal nutritionist. It's called CalorieWise, and it sits right at that sweet spot where artificial intelligence meets personal wellness. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, let's talk about the problem CalorieWise is trying to solve. I think we can all relate to this, the modern food dilemma. We have more food choices than ever before in history, but that usually just leads to more confusion about what we're actually putting in our bodies. We've all been there, right? You're staring down at this beautiful, delicious-looking meal, but you have absolutely no clue what's really in it. How many calories? Is this actually good for me? It's that nagging feeling of uncertainty that this app is really designed to tackle. And look, this isn't just a vague feeling. It's born from some very real challenges. Trying to track calories by hand, it's tedious, and let's be honest, most of us give up. Then you try to understand macronutrients, carbs, proteins, fats, and it feels like you need a chemistry degree. And that's before you even get to worrying about hidden sugars in restaurant meals, potential allergens, or just trying to find health info you can actually trust. It's a full-time job. So, faced with all that, where do you even begin? Well, for a growing number of people, the answer is technology. It's offering a whole new way to find some much-needed clarity. And that brings us to the solution designed to cut right through all that confusion we were just talking about. It's an app called CalorieWise. So what is it exactly? Well, at its core, CalorieWise does something that honestly feels a little bit like magic. You take a simple photo of your food, and it gives you back a full nutritional report. And we're not just talking about raw data here. This is about getting insights you can actually use to make better choices. Turning a picture into hard data, it almost sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. So, how on earth does it actually work? Let's pull back the curtain and look at the process. The whole process is designed to be ridiculously simple. Step 1, you just snap a photo of your meal. That's it. Step 2, the app's AI gets to work, instantly analyzing the image to figure out what's on your plate. And then step 3, almost in the blink of an eye, bam, you get a full nutritional breakdown. It's fast, simple, and incredibly easy. And the information you get back is incredibly specific. For example, it doesn't just say pizza. No, it tells you that one slice has about 285 calories with precise counts for protein, carbs, and fat. And just look at that sodium. 640 milligrams in one slice? That's the kind of detail that lets you make a genuinely informed decision. But the analysis goes so much deeper than just the numbers. It can actually identify individual ingredients, give you crucial allergen warnings for safety, and even suggest healthier serving sizes or different cooking methods. It's not just a calorie counter. It's a holistic guide to what's on your plate. Okay, this next part is where CalorieWise, for me, goes from being just a cool piece of tech to something potentially revolutionary. Because the creators didn't just build this for one market or one type of diet. They went truly global. Take a look at this number, 90 plus. What do you think that represents? It's not the number of foods it can identify or the number of nutrients it tracks. It's something way bigger. That's right, over 90 languages. This is, hands down, the app's most powerful feature. It's a profound commitment to making this vital health information accessible to pretty much anyone on the planet with a smartphone. And we're not just talking about the usual suspects here. Of course, you have English, Spanish, and Chinese, but this list also includes languages like Swahili, the indigenous South American language Quechua, Maori from New Zealand, and, get this, even Esperanto. That is an absolutely incredible dedication to inclusivity. This intense focus on language is about one thing: breaking down barriers. It's about taking vital health education and making sure everyone has access. As the source material puts it, the whole point is to make nutrition info accessible to diverse global communities. So we've seen what CalorieWise does and how it does it. Let's start to wrap this up by looking at who this is actually for and what it might mean for the future of our personal health. So who's the target audience here? Well, it's incredibly broad. This could be a game changer for someone with severe dietary restrictions or life-threatening allergies. It's perfect for a fitness enthusiast who needs to track their macros down to the last gram. Or it could be for a parent just trying to understand their family's nutrition better. Or really for anyone who's just curious about eating a little bit healthy. The real genius behind this is how it brings four totally different fields together. You've got advanced computer vision to actually see the food. You've got deep nutritional science to understand it. You have real-time AI to process all of that instantly. And you have this commitment to global accessibility to deliver it to everyone. It's the seamless blend of all four that makes this so powerful. And this is just the beginning. The potential roadmap ahead is really ambitious. They're already talking about future integrations with fitness trackers and wearables, personalized meal plans generated just for you, and maybe, one day, even a direct link to share this data with your doctor. The goal is to become a central hub for your entire health ecosystem. But in the end, it all comes back to this one simple idea: to democratize access. To take the kind of detailed analysis that was once only available to elite athletes and professional nutritionists and put that power in everybody's pocket. So I'll leave you with this final thought. CalorieWise imagines a future where that question isn't some far-off what if, but is simply your reality. A future where your phone doesn't just connect you to the world, but helps you understand the very fuel that runs your body. Thanks for joining me for this explainer.